Today it's very bright and very cloudy at the same time. I'm not sure how that works. Good morning, lovely peeps. Merry Vlogmas day 3. Now standing back. You carry on, Shiana. Anytime you, yeah. Done? Okay. Standing back, I can see that there's a layer of fluffy clouds in the back. I don't know if that will have shown up on screen, but it actually looks really beautiful out there. But it is just incredibly bright given how many clouds there are. I'm not sure how that works. But anyway, I would like chocolate for breakfast, so I'm going to head down to the main house.
That's what you said.
I'm recording.
Oh.
If you broadcast that.
I won't. No, I'll cut that bit out. But I will include the bit that says I'm recording, and then everyone will broadcast that, and then everyone's going to be like, what happened? And I'm not going to tell you. Merry Vlogmas day 3. I've given up on asking these two to do it.
Merry Vlogmas.
Oh wow. Hey Peeps. And hey Peeps. Number 3. Look, there's a little door there. You can push it there and then...
Yeah, I do.
Oh.
Quite a bit of it.
No, I didn't notice you do it. Ooh. Lello.
Very gold.
Scrumbly nutty.
Scrumbly nutty.
Whatever that might mean.
Scrumbly.
Oh,
It's a new one.
Scrumbly. I was sent a word yesterday, I can't remember it.
You sent quite a few.
Was I?
Jennifer's messaged you as well. I can't remember what they
I
are.
better read them all.
I think that's a happy
I'm
face.
slightly behind her. It's a bit hamster-like. All I can see is cheeks coming out from her hair.
Where's your one? Oh, there.
It is scrumbly, scrumptious nutty.
Yeah.
You like?
Mmm.
This is good. You're down in the corner.
Right. I'm getting used to chocolate for breakfast.
Yeah.
This is good. Well, it was licorice for breakfast last year. So this has got to be a slight improvement.
Ooh.
Oh, you got
well,
a different one.
This is very traditional.
Yes. A
Yeah.
Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah.
I love these.
Yeah. I like them. They're very, very light. Easy to munch. They're like oversized Maltesers. You need a whole box of these to yourself when you're sitting in front of the telly. Woo!
Hamsters.
Like a gobstopper.
Yeah, I was going to say, your cheeks doing well there?
Well,
One on each side?
mm.
You can only open one calendar on at a time there.
I mean, everyone's familiar with this, but they are very, very tasty.
They are.
Mm.
That's why they haven't changed the recipe on them for
the only
ages.
time I really talk with my mouth full.
Yes.
Mm.
Oh, I've got crunchy.
I like that.
No, they're mine.
Oh, that crunches.
I don't know why I'm surprised that I'm getting ones that I like every day. There are everything in here I like.
Which is good.
Yes.
Well, thank you very much for buying them for us.
Oh, it's got little tiny bits of crunchy in it.
Oh, that's rather nice. That's different.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm on my mobile at the moment because I'm trapped. This little one is making herself very comfortable. Gee, I need to get up and do some work. I know I'm horrible, aren't I? Usually she runs away when I do that. Here we go. Relatively painless. No, no! No! She's determined. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick her up and move her. Well, that's been a long day. It is, gosh, it's 4:15 and the sun is setting and it's getting really dark out there. But I have got 3 videos filmed and I have got some other bits and pieces done this morning, so I'm feeling very virtuous. I am going to go to Salsa this evening because I need to take this with me to deliver it. So I am going to probably, I don't know, I've got my comfies on down here because I was filming the October and November lookbook, and I made the McCalls set in that month, so I put it on, and you know, I've just changed the top half to look like the videos were filmed not on different days. I mean, you guys know how it works. I tell you I'm batch film on Tuesdays, don't I? But yeah, to give the videos like a semblance of looking like, you know, I've made an effort to make them look like they're filmed on different days. But yeah, I really like this top actually. This is that McCalls cowl neck woven tee that I stole the neckline for my Sew Over It tee, and then this is the Vian cardigan from Andy Satterland, and it is in the Debbie Bliss silk yarn, and this thing is amazing. And I haven't told Mum this yet, but I'd really like her to remake all of my hortensias in this yarn because it is the nicest stuff ever, but I don't think she would be up for that. And the acrylic ones are lovely, and the acrylic ones are great because I can throw them in the wash and they're not going to shrink on me. Ask me how I know. I just love this, and it goes so well with this fabric. This fabric has these little orange centers to the flowers. I managed to get some more of this fabric because I made my first Sew Over It Eve dress out of this, following along with the finish measurements that the pattern gave me. So I was a size 14 bust, 10 waist, and 14 hips. It was giant on me, so I ended up rolling the neckline over twice, which made the neckline quite bulky because I finished it with bias binding as well as the twill tape. I ended up giving it to Big Bird, but I don't think she kept it because I don't think it quite worked for her, because I think I rolled it too much and it was just very booby for her. But I really love this fabric, so I wanted to make it again. The Eve dress, I now make a straight size 10 at the top and then grade out to a 14 over the hips, and I think I could even go down to a size 8 at the waist and it be fine because of the nature of the dress. It's a wrap dress, isn't it? So it's adjustable to within degrees. Yeah, I have some more of this fabric to make another one of those, which I'm very pleased about. I'm just sitting here rambling at you. I am actually quite hungry. I think I might make myself some dinner now. I had a Huel for breakfast. I am still eating Huel or drinking Huel. I find it as a great way to start my day. So I have one of those for breakfast, and I haven't really had lunch. So I'm gonna have an early dinner, and then I'll probably need a snack a bit later on this evening. So I might get myself some biltong from Tesco's on the way home from Salsa this evening. So yes, that's nearly 4 minutes of waffle about stuff. That's been my day though, and the trouble is when I have a filming day, as you all know, I tend to not vlog at all, and then I come to edit the vlog and it's like, there's nothing there. And usually that's not too bad because obviously I can just add a couple of days together. But Vlogmas, we need a video I want to put a video up every day. I enjoy watching people's Vlogmas every day, so yeah, I'm gonna waffle at you. Anyway, food, salsa, I'm gonna take you with me. Not sure what I'm gonna wear. And then editing this evening. It's gonna be up later than usual, or mind you, today's one was up later than usual because the internet was just on a go slow and it took 5.5 hours to upload the video, which is why it went up at 4 o'clock in the morning. But it's one of those things. So fingers crossed the internet's playing ball tonight and it'll take 25 minutes. That would be nice. I don't think it's gonna happen, but it would be nice. Anyway, I need to clean up the aftermath of all this filming and make some food. So this is kind of what we're dealing with. So I have my Filofax there with my phone so that I can check what I want to be saying and the names of numbers of patterns and things like that, because I forget that all the time. Tripod there. I film at the angle I film at because this tripod is incredibly difficult. You can have it at that level, you can have it at that level, and then it also, this bit comes up and down, but it's really difficult to kind of fine tune the height that that's at. So I film with the level I do because that's just how the tripod works. Softbox, then we've got my giant pile of things that I want to sew in December. We've got the things that I made in October and November, and then we've got bags down here of all the bits and pieces that I have bought up from the main house, which I am including in my gift guide for your sewist, seamstress, dressmaker in your life. Oh, that's actually quite nice lighting. The moon's out as well. So yeah, I've done my gift guide a little bit differently. Am I in focus? think I am now. So I've done my gift guide a little bit differently this year. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't do one last year and I didn't do one for my birthday. You guys are unbelievably generous, and when I did the gift guides before, it was always with the kind of view to show to my nearest and dearest of like, you know, look, this is what I would like. It was intended as a guide for what to get somebody in your life that sews, because I sew and these are all things that I wanted, but you guys were unbelievably generous and generally got me things that I'd listed in my gift guide, which wasn't the intention, I promise. It was just, as I say, it was stuff that I knew I wanted, so I would imagine other seamstresses wanted as well. So this year I've done it slightly differently, and I have done it with stuff that I already own, that I already use and that I absolutely love, so that it's kind of like from a used and tried and true kind of perspective. And these are all things that I have, these are all things that I use pretty much daily, and these are all things that I think another seamstress would love. The only exception is that I included this necklace from Lauren Grace Jewelry because it is absolutely beautiful, and I am one of those people that pretty much nearly has everything. I mean, there is always other stuff that I could get, but what do you buy the person who has everything? Beautiful jewelry, that's what you buy them. So yeah, I did my gift guide a little bit differently this year, so I hope you guys like it when it comes out, hopefully on Saturday. Battery's running out, so I'm going to shut up waffling and go and make some food. Proper cat donut. I can't remember the last clip that I filmed, but I think I said that I was going to salsa. Well, I did go to salsa. I managed to stay for an hour, but I can't concentrate at the moment because this has been particularly stupid for the last couple of days, and today is just really bad. So I thought Mum suggested that dancing would take my mind off of it, and it did to a degree, but I couldn't concentrate on what I was meant to be doing because so I came home early, and I came home early via the supermarket went and got some snacks for myself and Chiana. Chiana is currently sniffing my snacks, I've put hers away, but yeah, so it's been a bit of a strange day, but I have got lots done, which is great, and I'm going to spend the rest of the evening editing. I think it's about 10 o'clock now, so I need to get this done, and then I've got the 3 videos I filmed today to edit as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the waffle, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!